right, I'm sending you a flippity that you can choose to use on Friday. You can have each student do their own, or you can do it together. But it's kind of like an escape room. You click on the first lock to get started, and it's going to send you to the first puzzle. And so each one, they can use scratch paper, or I can make copies. And so for this one, they're trying to find the answer to these 5 questions, and you're going to put the letters that your answers are found on for each one. So find a fraction equivalent to 3/4. The G over here, so it would be G. And if they followed all of them, find a fraction equivalent to 2/5. 4/10 is U. They would get the 5 letters of guilt. And so they would hit this key here, and it would show that they unlocked the first lock, and they can go on to the next room. For the second one, it's asking them to figure out, these are a little tricky because it's which fractions are greater than 1/2, select all that apply. They're not trying to make a word with this. They're finding all of the shaded boxes, and those together are going to form a word. So for this one, the ones that are greater than 1/2 are 4/6, 2/3, and 5/8. So MNO. So the O would be the letter that goes down here. And then are those equal? False. They're not. So FALCE. So it would be F would be the next letter. And if they kept going, because it is a few slides long, they'd keep going, do 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, and then write each of the shaded letters in the boxes below to reveal the second clue. If they did that, they would come up with offense. So if they spelled it wrong, it would tell them that their lock is still locked, and they could go back and double check their answer or ask for help. But if they do, they unlock the key and they can go on to the next lock. This is a code, and so it gives them a hint, and this is just the alphabet because they tell you this is B, so they just have to come up with a key for it. And if it's like, what do you call parts of a whole, or not all of a whole or something, but the word that they should come up with is fraction. And they can do that. And you'll get to your final lock. And for this, there are questions, and one of them is right and one of them is wrong. And so they're going to circle the one that is correct, and they're going to put those letters in order, 1, 2, 3, 4. So is this a unit fraction, 4/6? No. So I, the one that represents 6/8, and I can't actually remember what this word is, but spelled pretty. I guess so. No. What fraction makes this equation I, Q? All right, this is helpful. Sorry. Be written as a whole number. Oh yeah, we might have to do that, whole numbers. There's another one, 5/1. I, N, Q. Name the same point as number line. False. I. Yeah. T, Y. Oh, you know what I did? I think I made the key wrong. Like the locks. So I think I probably spelled it wrong. because now that this looks completely wrong to me now. I'm thinking I probably spelled it wrong when I made the key. So I'll fix that before I give you the link. Yes. All right. And so then when they're done, it will say, congratulations, you unlocked the room. And so you can do it that way, or you can just do the pieces, or I can give you paper copies of these. The one thing I can give you a paper copy of is the work page where they can work everything out. Here it is. Here you go. That's the answer key one, but that one. So yeah, this one right here, we can all get a copy of that so that they can keep track of their words for the answers there. And then I just, at the introduction part, you can change this. I'm just giving it to you in a slide. Sorry, my internet's slow today. But the way they worded it was like somebody was stuck in a basement or something. So I saw one that was like something's been locked up. And so it just says to introduce it to, it says the prized possession of your class has been taken and is currently locked away on the internet. If you'd like to recover it, you must solve all these fraction clues. And so you could either have it be something that they get or win, or like, so it can be actually unlocked. So they can unlock like a game play time or something like that. But I'll send you this as well to start it out. But I'll change the wording on the last one. And if there's anything else you want, let me know. But I'm going to either send it through Apple Classroom, or I've done this as a link on Canvas as well, or inbox all of them. Either all of those are ways that they can get to the flippity, and none of them have had any trouble. We did a matching manipulative thing. They can all use it, and they can all do it independently. So hopefully that'll work for everyone. Let me know if you need anything.